everybody, I'm Nanny Julie, nice to see you. Today we're gonna draw a castle. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and you don't miss my new lesson. Now let's look at the picture. We can see the towers, roofs, the flag, the windows and the drawbridge. Now let's start drawing. The first step we're gonna draw is the front wall and the drawbridge. Choose spot on your paper you like. I will start over here, right in the middle. Draw a long horizontal line in the middle over here. Then draw two vertical lines on each side. Then draw two horizontal lines on the top of this shape. Okay, you're doing great. Then draw two arcs inside this square. The first and the second. Then let's draw the first tower. Draw two vertical lines over here in the middle of this line. The first and the second. Then let's draw two short horizontal lines on each side and the third in the middle. Then let's draw vertical lines and let's connect them here and here. Then let's draw another two vertical lines over here and let's draw the roof. Draw long horizontal line over here on the top of this tower and upside down V shape over here. V shape. Then let's draw the flag. Let's draw vertical line over here and circle on the top of this line. Then let's draw long S shape. Repeat after me. Then let's draw another this line over here and connect them with V shape. Oh, you have a great lines! Now let's draw the second tower. Draw long vertical line on the left side and let's draw vertical line over here and this line end on the same level and let's connect them here and here. Then draw two diagonal lines on the top of this tower and let's connect with arcs. 4 arcs, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then let's add two circles in the middle and C shape on the right side and backward C shape on the left side. Repeat after me. Then let's draw another this part over here. Two vertical line in the middle. Then let's connect them and draw upside down V shape for roof. That's the way! I like your line! Then let's draw finals. Vertical line and two circles on the top of the roof. Then let's draw short diagonal lines over here under this part and connect them with 5 arcs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And let's add circles over here. 3 circles. Let's count. 1, 2, 3 in the middle and 2 on each side. The first and the second. Now let's draw the same tower on the right side. Draw vertical line on the right side, then another vertical line over here, then connect them here on the top and here on the bottom. Draw 2 vertical lines on the top of this tower and let's connect them with 4 arcs. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 circles in the middle, C shape on the right side and backward C shape on the left side. Then draw 2 vertical lines on the top of this tower and connect them with horizontal line. Then let's draw up. Then let's add upside down V shape on the top of the tower and draw the finals on the roof. Vertical line and 2 circles on the top. Then let's add some details. 2 vertical lines on each side and connect them with 5 arcs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and add 5 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now let's add the windows. I draw in the middle the rectangle, then arc on the top. Then let's add 3 vertical lines inside the rectangle. Then let's add 3 windows on the left side. Let's draw 3 rectangles and 3 arcs on the top. Then let's add 2 vertical lines inside the rectangle. Over here, here and here. Then let's draw another. Then let's draw the same windows on the right side. We're gonna draw 3 rectangles on the right side. Then 3 arcs on the top of the rectangle and 2 vertical lines on each rectangles. Now let's add some details. I draw some lines inside these arcs. Then let's add the tile texture in the roof. Draw diagonal lines in this triangle, then diagonal lines in the other direction. Then the same thing over here. Diagonal lines, then diagonal lines in the other direction. And over here. Then let's add some arcs over here. here, and here. That's the way to go, you did it! I like your drawing. You can ask your parents to share your finished masterpiece to Instagram. Take me in photo, Nanny Julie Art. Also, you and your parents can download and print my new coloring page. I'll link in the description under the video. Now let's coloring together. You can choose any color you like. Now let's add some details with colors. I choose dark green and dark pink. Let's draw some flowers over here. Let's add some flowers around the window. Let's draw 3 flowers. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Short lines around the window and some leaf. Then let's add yellow circles near the flowers. Then let's add the brick texture. Draw pink rectangle, smaller rectangles. Over here. Here. Draw rectangular pink bricks in different places of the castle. Then let's color the roofs. I choose dark green, tracing around and coloring inside. Try to stay inside the lines. If it's hard for you, it's okay. Don't give up. Keep on trying. You can do it. Then I choose yellow for flag, tracing again and coloring inside. Then I choose dark pink for this part of the castle, tracing again. And coloring inside. Tracing again. If you missed a spot, fill it in with color. Tracing and coloring inside. Oh, you're doing great! Tracing and coloring inside. Don't give up. Keep on trying. Let's try to carefully trace along the pencil line and not go beyond the line. We try to carefully and accurately color inside this form. Try to color over completely from edge to edge so that the white lines of the paper are not visible. Then let's add some details over here. Draw vertical lines inside this triangle. Then let's color the window and the drawbridge. I choose gray. Tracing and coloring inside. We trace around the edge again, trying not to go beyond the line. Don't rush. Quietly we will color everything together with you. My castle will be white, but I add some yellow lines for highlights. Over here. Wow, what a wonderful castle! I love your drawing! I hope you had a lot of fun coloring and drawing with me. Try my other videos YouTube channel Nanny Julie. Check my social networks for cute coloring page and fun paper game. I'll link in the description under the video. See you, bye bye!